It is? Hey! You guys want to see me open a package that my boyfriend got me? Yeah! I'll open it on live. They don't knock on the door anymore when they deliver a package. Whoa. I just got a package. I wonder what it is. Because I know who it's from. Oh, sorry. That's funny. I'm going to set the package down. Yes, we're in Blue's Clues because that's my childhood. Damn. Oh my god. Okay, let me make my plate of food and then I can open my package. Okay, let's open this package before I burst into anticipation of this, whatever it is. Hold on guys, let me get something to open it with. Now let me open this package from my boyfriend. Thank you for the follow. Let's open this up. I have a box opener right here. Aw. We just got a letter. We just got a letter. We just got a letter. I wonder who it's from. I just got a package. I just got a package. It's from my boyfriend. Come on, you stubborn tape. Ah, that's sticky. Come on, you stubborn thing. There we go. I haven't opened a package in a while, so. Let's see what it is. Baby! Aww! Baby! Baby! He got me a camera! And a microphone? It's one of those fuzzy microphones. Oh my god. Thank you, baby. I have a vlog camera now. Thank you. Thank you.